Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Phasmophobia on your PC or laptop. Alright, let's get started. So the first step before we begin, what you have to do is download the Steam application. So over here, let's search for download Steam, then click on the first website, the first result that you get. And once you do that, here you can see we have the install Steam button. So next what you have to do is just click on this install Steam icon, and once you do that, your Steam will be downloaded on your PC. And make sure you create an account as well. So once you are done with the account creation process, open your Steam application once again, and here you can see this is our Steam application. So next what you have to do is, since we are downloading the Phasmophobia game, so now let's search for Phasmophobia on the search button. So here you can see this is our game. So let's click on this game over here and see what it's all about and how to install it. So as you can see, this is seems like a horror game. And let's scroll down, and here you can see it is on a 25% discount right now. So I think this is the best time to get it. And what you have to do is just click on add to cart. If you want to buy this game, just click on add to cart and then select your payment method and then continue with the payment. If you have entered your credit card information or any other payment method, so you can just complete the payments and you'll get the game on your Steam library, from where you can download the game and install and finally enjoy the game by playing it. So yeah, that's it. That is how you'll be able to download and install Phasmophobia on your PC and laptop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.